3 heavy. Contact New York Center 127.17. 26, 12,000, back to the vehicle. 135, how it go? 1527. 15, could direct Lolly, descend to maintain, audible 200. 5, level 340. Contact 479 with request. South 1326, 340, not a great ride. Can we get a 280? 40. Delta 2429, Boston Center more.
Sorry, do you want any better items?
No, let's go 295.
Boston, good morning, Southwest 1341, 13.5 for 14,000.
And descend to maintain, audible 280.
Dizzy, descend to 280, American 2156. 59, thanks.
Oscar uniform, approximately 6 miles to the northeast of Stillwater, VOR and PA 28.
Sure, 2 o'clock. He's a little ways out, but I gotta get you higher first. Stand by. They're heading 290, man. 3084.
22, yeah, 28.5.
And light shot. Moxie 522, we're 115, calling 190. Moxie 522, Boston Center, climb maintain, flight level 220. Maintain flight level 220, Moxie 522.
Precare 3552, if the ride's a little better, can we just go down to 300? I'd like to request flight level 260 for the ride.
Climbing 340. That's the 30, climbing flight level 360.
Contact approach, this is approach 119 or 0.45.
Hi, calling 17 down.
204 New York Center, 128,
That's 220.
check it out. 204, just there.
Calling 17 down.
Breakout 4777 Boston Center, correct to Ruiz, Bridgeport altimeter 2997.
330, good day.
And JetBlue 87 here, checking on as well.
Alpha 34, climbing via the Westchester 8, leaving 1,900.
Descend and maintain flight miles on the Landsat flight level 200. Alright, clear to landing, JetBlue 504.
320, 15,000, show us 69, please.
35 miles on the Landsat flight level 200. 1585, contact New York Center 127.17. Morning. Chance, the ride's still not great at 280. Can we try 260? Yeah, I'll have that in about 60 seconds. Stand by. Oh, 8,000 there, 5363. Just to route via GPDLC.
You or what flight this might be possible? I know it's DR, but which one?
Ship 283, JetBlue 869.